President Tinubu faces ultimatum: restore subsidies or face renewed protests, civil societies warn. UNIMED appoints seasoned librarian Oduwole Adebambo as new library head. Business owners in Nigeria can now elevate their businesses to a next level with cloud hosting at Maxi Business Strategies. Welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. The University of Medical Sciences, UNIMED, Ondo State, has announced the appointment of Oduwole Adebambo as its new librarian, bringing 32 years of experience in tertiary institution libraries to the role. A holder of a PhD in Library and Information Studies, Oduwole has worked at prestigious institutions including Lagos State University College of Mercy, Lagos State University, and Olabisi Onabanjo University in Ogun State. According to a statement by the University Public Relations Officer, Mr. Isaac Oluyi, Oduwole is a recipient of numerous academic distinctions and awards, making him an ideal candidate to lead the university library. This appointment is expected to enhance the library's services and support the academic pursuit of UNIMED's community. For details of this story, you can visit latestgist.org or akainews.org. The Osun State Civil Societies Coalition has issued a stern warning to President Bola Tinubu, urging him to reinstate subsidies on electricity and fuel or face renewed protest from Nigerians. The coalition, which represents various civil society organizations in the state, made this demand in a statement released after the 10-day End Bad Governance protest. The statement, signed by Chairman Waheed Lawal, condemned President Tinubu's nationwide broadcast on the protest, vowing that youths will return to the streets to demand good governance. The coalition called on the federal government to introduce policies that alleviate economic hardship on Nigerians, rather than distributing palliatives to states. This ultimatum sets the stage for potential renewed protest and increased pressure on the government to address the economic concerns of Nigerians. For details of this story, you can visit latestgist.org. Business owners in Nigeria can now take their business to the next level with Maxi Cloud hosting solution, QuickBooks, Sage 50, or any accounting services. Should you are interested, you can contact the management of Maxi Group Business Strategies. Maxi Business Strategies is at Ikeja, Lagos. You can contact their number as you can see on your screen. Intensive tutorial for post-UTME students, pre-degree and School of Nursing are currently in progress at Akai Tutors, Ile-Ife. Akai Tutors is located at number 67, Oduwole College, Ile-Ife. Thank you for joining me in this news segment. I am Joseph Iyaji, and this is Akai Update.